Take a look at this 2008 Holden Commodore. You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle. Connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Call today to schedule a test drive.